Online shopping is convenient, fast and fun, but it's also full of hidden risks. Fake websites, dodgy sellers, and sneaky scams catch thousands of people every year. Today we're breaking down the most common online shopping dangers and the simple steps you can take to stay safe. By the end of this video, you'll shop smarter, safer, and with total confidence. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect CIC, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. From counterfeit products to stolen card details, online shopping scams are rising. Many people don't realise they're at risk until it's too late. But the good news? You can avoid almost all of these. Let's walk through practical, easy to follow safety tips that can protect your money, your data, and your peace of mind. Tip 1. Check the website's legitimacy. Scammers often create websites that look almost identical to the real ones. Always check the URL. It should start with HTTPS and include the correct spelling of the brand. Scroll to the bottom of the page and look for contact details, return policies, and the company information. Here's an example. See the difference? The fake site uses unusual spelling, no company address, and suspicious discounts. If something feels off, trust your instincts. Tip 2. Use secure payment methods. Never pay by bank transfer unless you fully trust the seller. Use credit cards or secure payment services. They offer fraud protection. Avoid saving card details on websites you don't shop from regularly. Look for trusted payment badges like Visa Secure or PayPal Buyer Protection. These add an extra layer of safety. Discover more expert tips and tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Tip 3. Spot fake deals and counterfeit products. If a deal looks unbelievably cheap, it probably is. Compare prices across multiple websites. Check your product photos. Scammers often use low quality or stolen images. Here's an example. Notice how the suspicious site lists the product half the price? That's a major red flag. Tip 4. Avoid phishing emails and fake delivery messages. Scammers send fake delivery updates to steal your information. Always check the sender's email address or phone number. Go directly to the official website instead of clicking links. Here's an example. Here's a fake message claiming a parcel fee is due. Instead of clicking the link, visit the official site and check your tracking number. Tip 5. Protect your account. Use strong, unique passwords for each shopping site. A password manager can help you keep track. Turn on two-factor authentication wherever possible. It blocks most hacking attempts. Tip 6. Know your consumer rights. In the UK, you have the right to return most online purchases within 14 days. If a seller refuses, you can report them to trading standards or your bank. Tip 7. Shop from trusted sellers only. Check seller ratings, reviews, and how long they've been active. Avoid sellers with no history or poor feedback. Let's quickly recap what we have covered today. You learned how to spot fake websites, use secure payment methods, avoid phishing messages, protect your accounts, and shop confidently online using simple practical steps. These habits make a huge difference in keeping your money and your personal information safe. Whether you're learning to spot scams, use your camera, or connect to Wi-Fi, we're here to support every step of the way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Want to learn more? Visit our website below. For in-depth articles and expert advice, we're here to help you level up your digital skills.